Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of NotionEye, a powerful productivity tool that's taking the market by storm. NotionEye is a versatile platform that combines the best of productivity, organization, and collaboration. Let's explore some of its top features, what's new, and how to make the most of it. First off, let's talk about Notion's user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can get started right away. Notion's versatility is a standout feature. It can be used for personal productivity, project management, team collaboration, and even as a knowledge base. One of the most exciting new features is the AI-powered search function. This advanced tool allows you to quickly find what you need, even if you're not quite sure what you're looking for. Notion's AI is constantly learning and adapting, so your search results will only get better over time. Notion's tips and tutorials are a great way to get the most out of the platform. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these resources can help you streamline your workflow and become more productive. Now, let's talk about some of Notion's top features. Its customizable templates are a huge plus, allowing you to create pages and databases that fit your unique needs. Notion's integration with other tools is another standout feature, making it a one-stop shop for all your productivity needs. Finally, let's touch on Notion's advanced features. Its block-based editing system allows for a high degree of customization, and its real-time collaboration tools make it a great choice for teams. So, there you have it, a brief overview of NotionEye and its top features. If you're not already using Notion, I highly recommend giving it a try. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy productivity!